it's Christina from Proven Winners Colorchoice Shrubs, out for another walk through the gardens. I think it's going to be a pretty amazing walk. I'm seeing so many flowers. Let's go see what the garden's been up to. This is the Bottlebrush Buckeye in full bloom. I love these massive flowers. They are so neat, and you can see them from really far away. And obviously the pollinators love seeing them too. It's just loaded with activity here. Oops. There it goes. Just bees everywhere. Something told me that we would find Polly Petite with a few flowers, and I'm so glad we did. You can see this lovely pale shade of pinky purple, and it's just really highlighted by these massive leaves with their different kind of shape than your regular Rose of Sharon. This plant is hardy in zones 5 through 9 and naturally grows in this kind of rounded habit, just 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. We're getting some really nice rebloom in this massive planting of double play doozy Spirea. This plant is hardy in zones 3 through 8, gets 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. And it's just such a neat plant because it continuously blooms. It's sterile, so it's able to just keep producing flowers, and that bright pink flower really helps accentuate the dark kind of burgundy color of that new growth. Such a cool plant. We're about to walk into Rose of Sharon Paradise. So many blooming right now. If this is the kind of Rose of Sharon that you like, then you might enjoy our Satin series. They are sterile, so you won't have to pick up any nuisance seedlings, which I think is one of the best parts, and they're beautiful. They come in a couple different colors. There's Azuri Blue Satin, which you might have seen. It's a nice true blue, and there's also Purple Satin, Orchid Satin, and a Ruffled Satin. They are hardy in zones 5 through 8 and grow, I think, 8 to 12 feet tall and 6 to 10 feet wide. I'm so distracted by this little bumblebee. It's so cute. Look at it going about its day. Or perhaps you enjoy a nice fluffy double flower like this. In that case, you would enjoy our Chiffon series of Roses of Sharon. Now, this series is also low seed set thanks to the double flowers, and it comes in a couple different colors as well. We've got white, pink, blue, magenta, and dark purple, which is new. And this has the same stats as the last Rose of Sharon that we were looking at. Hardy in zones 5 through 9, grows 8 to 12 feet tall and 6 to 10 feet wide. So we've got plenty of average size Roses of Sharon, and then this huge one. Look at how big it is. I am terrible at guessing heights, but I would say that is, I don't know, like 16 feet tall? Massive. Just thought of a fun activity we can do to really show the flower power of a Panicle Hydrangea. So these are trial panicles, but this one in the front kind of reminds me of Bobo with its compact size and insane flower coverage. Bobo gets 2.5 to 3 feet tall and wide and is hardy in zones 3 through 8, so a big growing zone. But the main point was, look at all these flowers, amazing. What I'm gonna do is I have to walk all the way back down this long walkway, and at the end we're going to take a look and see what these hydrangeas look like at a distance. And here we are at the end of a very long walkway, maybe a quarter of a mile. but you can still see those flowers very clearly. I think it's a great way to get your visitors' attention well before they make it to your garden. Panicle hydrangeas are just amazing for this. They've got huge flowers and excellent flower coverage, especially when it comes to proven winners hydrangeas. And they're just a really great way to catch people's attention before they make it to your garden. And that's the end of our tour for today. I hope that you were inspired. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or send us a message, and I'll see you again next week.